Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best pink Xbox is probably one of the most stylish gaming consoles out there, and if you're looking to add a pop of color to your gaming setup, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about buying a pink Xbox, from the different models available to where you can find the best deals. Get ready to level up your gaming experience with a touch of pink. Number 5. KLIM Chroma Pink Wireless Keyboard. Looking for a stylish keyboard? This one features a soft pink finish, perfect for any setup. It's a great gift option for anyone. It's easy to connect. Just plug in the USB receiver, and you're ready to go from up to 30 feet away. No drivers are needed. Forget about buying batteries. This keyboard has a built-in rechargeable battery. It saves you money and is better for the environment. Bring your desk to life with the RGB backlighting. You can choose from different modes or turn it off completely. Note that the colors are not customizable. The membrane keys have a short travel distance. This design allows for quick and easy typing, improving your overall speed. This keyboard offers great value and proven reliability. It's backed by 24/7 customer support and a no questions asked return policy if you're not satisfied. What we like? This keyboard boasts a stylish pink design, perfect for adding personality to your setup. It connects instantly, so you can start gaming right away. And with its long-lasting battery, you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, convenience, and long-lasting performance, you should consider this. What people say. The keyboard has flush keys that aren't too loud like some mechanical keyboards, which I like. Complete with RGB lighting control right on the keyboard. Options for wired or wireless with both the keyboard and mouse. Internal rechargeable batteries that charge when you connect the cable, so there's no downtime to charge them and you never have to take out or replace any batteries. Number 4. PowerA Enhanced Wired Controller for Xbox Series XS, Pink. Introducing the PowerA Enhanced Wired Controller, officially licensed for Xbox Series XS. This controller is designed for optimal performance and reliability, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. The ergonomic design of this controller fits comfortably in your hands. It features a standard button layout, including a new share button, making it easy to control. Experience immersive gameplay with dual rumble motors. The controller also includes mappable advanced gaming buttons, giving you a competitive edge. The diamond texture grip on the back provides excellent control. The metallic D-pad on the front enhances precision during gameplay. Easily manage your game audio or chat with the headset dial. It also features a 3.5mm stereo headset jack for direct connection. This controller comes with a 2-year limited warranty. It's a reliable choice for any Xbox gamer. What we like? This controller features an ergonomic design for comfortable gaming sessions. It offers a reliable wired connection, eliminating any lag. Plus, it has a headset jack for easy audio integration. If you enjoy long gaming sessions and prioritize a stable connection with clear audio, this is the controller for you. What people say. It looks great and works even better. Been using it for 72 hours. 1. It's everything I wanted as I've mapped the 2 paddles to jump and crouch. I've had this product for over a year with no issues. Whole family loves using it. Number 3. eXtremeRate Xbox One SX Controller Replacement Shell. This is a replacement front housing shell for Xbox One S and X controllers. It's designed to give your controller a fresh new look. It is easy to install. This shell is ultra-compatible with Xbox One S and X controllers, model 1708. Please note that it is not compatible with Xbox One Elite or standard Xbox One controllers. Make sure to check the model before purchasing. The shell fits perfectly, sitting flush on all sides and attaching securely to all clips. It's designed to be a seamless replacement for your original housing. The package includes the faceplate shell, AT8H screwdriver, a pry tool, screws, and accent rings. Remember, the controller itself and other parts are not included. Installation requires taking apart the controller. You might need some experience with controller modifications. There are video guides available online to help you through the process. The cherry blossom's pink color is a great look. You can further customize your controller by combining this shell with our replacement buttons. What we like. This faceplate allows you to personalize your controller with a unique cherry blossoms pink design. The installation is straightforward, letting you easily upgrade your existing controller. If you like to customize your gear to stand out from the crowd, this is a great choice. What people say. The color is a really nice pink. The controller is comfortable to hold and the buttons are responsive. The console itself is sleek and fits well in my entertainment setup. Number 2. Custom Controllerzz Pink Chrome Xbox Series XS Controller. Introducing the Custom Controllerzz Pink Chrome Controller. It's the ultimate accessory for your Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, or PC. Get ready to elevate your gaming experience. We use brand new Microsoft Series XS controllers to create this custom controller. You can trust that it's top quality and built to last. Purchase with confidence. We stand behind our products with a 90-day warranty for manufacturing defects. We're here to help you resolve any issues during the warranty period. We start with a new official Microsoft Series XS controller and replace the front shell. After thorough testing, it's repackaged and shipped to you. Show off your style with this unique pink chrome controller. Your friends will be envious of its eye-catching design. Get yours today. What we like. This controller offers a custom soft touch feel for enhanced comfort. It's built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability. And with its stylish pink chrome design, it's sure to turn heads. If you want a controller that combines premium feel with a unique look, you should consider this. What people say. Great for playing video games on PC. Color is cute and goes with the theme of my gaming setup. Buttons are smooth and do not stick. Controller is beautiful. Controls are all functioning properly. Zero drift. Feels good in my hands. The controller is absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks and how it feels. I wanted a custom controller and I am glad that I chose this one. Number 1. 8BitDo Ultimate Wired Controller, Pastel Pink. This controller, in a delightful pastel pink, is designed to brighten up your gaming experience. It's officially licensed and ready to go. It works seamlessly with Xbox Series X, Series S, Xbox One, and Windows 10 and above. You can enjoy your favorite games on various platforms. Customize the controller wirelessly with iOS and Android, or wired on Xbox and PC. You can easily adjust settings to your preference. With the custom profile switch button, you can switch between 3 profiles on the fly. Customize button mapping, adjust stick sensitivity, and more. It features 2 extra back buttons and a 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones. The controller also has a perfect classic D-pad and trigger vibration. The enhanced grip ensures comfort during long gaming sessions. It also comes with a 3-meter cable, providing ample room to play. What we like. This controller comes in a playful pastel pink design, adding a pop of color to your setup. It's compatible with multiple platforms, making it versatile. Plus, it features customizable profiles, allowing you to tailor your gaming experience. If you like to have a controller that works across multiple devices and offers personalized settings, you should consider it. What people say. The buttons and triggers are extremely responsive, and the wired connection means zero input lag. It's comfortable to hold for long gaming sessions, and the overall design feels modern and clean. I love this controller, like love it, which makes it all the more sad that it broke in less than a year. I bought this in July of 2024 and the right trigger stopped working in March of 2025. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.